Best Moka Pot. Number 1.Alessi La Conica Moka Pot designed by Aldo Rossi, 6. Alessi La Conica Moka Pot designed by Aldo Rossi, 6 cups. Last but not least, La Conica Moka Pot is part of the Officina Alessi range. It was made of 18/10 stainless steel material that guarantees great durability and impeccable quality. The bottom of the coffee maker is copper. It provides a very good heat absorption and optimal heat dissipation. As such, the aromas and warmth of the coffee are preserved, for a better result in your cup. This Italian coffee maker is very original, because of its unique shape that can't be found anywhere else. Its geometric shape gives it all its charm. Aldo Rossi has used his creativity to create a sublime coffee maker, while taking into account the tastes and expectations of the public. Its high quality and excellent thermal conductivity make the La Conica perfect for making delicious coffee. It is available in 3 and 6 cups capacity. Alessi La Conica Moka Coffee Maker 300 ml designed by Aldo Rossi, 6 cups. Plus unique design. Plus quality materials. Plus copper base for better heat absorption. Not compatible with induction. Can be expensive. Number 2. Homestone Design Moka Pot Aluminium with Induction Base, 6 cups. Just like the Alessi Moka Induction, this Moka Pot made by Home offers you the perfect balance between the aluminium brew chamber for the efficiency and safety with its stainless steel base, suitable for all hobs, including induction. Moreover, its design is truly unique. Its black granite design will definitely stand out in your kitchen. This model is available with a 3, 6 and 9 cups capacity, which is a real plus. Homestone Design Moka Pot Aluminium with Induction Base, 6 cups. Plus great design. Plus aluminium brew chamber and stainless steel base. Plus available with a 3, 6 and 9 cups capacity. Hand wash only. Number 3.Alessi Moka Coffee Maker designed by Alessandre Mendini, 6 cups. This Alessi cast aluminium Moka Pot was developed and designed by the Italian designer Alessandro Mendini. It is part of the Moka Alessi range which showcases Moka Pots. It is a superb, top-of-the-range Moka Pot with a unique design, made from quality materials. It has a 6-cup, or 300 ml, capacity. Moka Pot Alessi. Plus atypical design. Plus a great present. Plus easy to use. Not compatible with induction hobs. Number 4. Bodom Chambord Moka Pot in stainless steel, 6 cups. Bodom is of course another coffee maker staple with its famous Chambord French press. Bodom's take on the iconic Moka Pot is beautiful as its French press. The Chambord style Moka Pot brings us back to a simpler time with its lovely vintage design. It is a nice reminder of old pewterware items from our grandmothers. Entirely made of stainless steel, this unique Moka Pot is suitable for any hobs. However, bear in mind that Bodom warns you against using it on gas stoves. Bodom Chambord Moka Pot stainless steel, 6 cups. Plus lovely design. Plus 100% stainless steel. Plus suitable for all hobs. Beware of gas hobs. Only available with a 3 or 6 cups capacity. Number 5. Alessi 9090 Moka Pot for induction hobs designed by Richard Sapper, 9 cups. Alessi, founded in 1921 by Giovanni Alessi, has long been at the forefront of innovative and inspired product design and boasts a wide range of products. This Alessi 18/10 stainless steel Moka Pot was developed and designed by the German designer Richard Sapper. It is a superb, top-of-the-range Moka Pot with a unique design, made from quality materials. It has a 9-cup, or 500 ml, capacity, but it is also available with a 3 and 6 cups capacity. Alessi 9090 Moka Coffee Maker for induction hobs designed by Richard Sapper. Plus ergonomic. Plus quality materials. Plus compatible with induction hobs. Plus smooth design. Can be expensive.